Tonight we're gonna do the unboxing of this Selfie ring light. Bought this on Amazon for $16 and something with the taxes and shipping. I think it was like $18.24. My girlfriend at work told me about it, so it finally came in the mail today. So far I've done my reviews online. It's supposed to be really sturdy, and for what I'm doing, I'm just videotaping my cooking, and it clamps to anything from what I've read, and it's very durable. So let's get into it. This comes in a regular cardboard box. Right on top, this is the Ubeesize Selfie ring light user manual. On the back of it, it says, it just basically tells me how to assemble what's in the box. And inside it has frequent answers and questions, like basic things people will ask. It also has a way to contact Amazon if I'm returning it via shipper, and to follow them on Facebook and so forth. So that's what it looks like. That's the booklet. That's what it looks like, and it looks like that's what's in the package. So first and foremost comes out is the cell phone clamp. It's supposed to be able to hold anything from the iPhone X, 8 Plus. All the iPhones should be able to hold into this. On the back part, it has a, what's this? Like a bolt. I'm guessing it's like a ball and socket joint. That's the pivoting. So I'm guessing whatever I pull out of the box is gonna clamp onto that. Oh, there's nothing more. The only thing left now, it's the actual item. Let's get it out of the plastic. It feels so heavy. Let's see how much this weighs. I wonder if it tells you how much it weighs. Oh, so here's some useful information. It can hold all iPhones and Androids, such as the iPhone 8, 8 Plus, the iPhone 10, 7 Plus, 6, 6 Plus, 5Ss, iPods, and the bottom of clamp can be reinforced to desk. The clamp itself is 2.36 inches thick maximum. Alright, that's pretty good. It doesn't tell me how much it weighs though. That's what I was mainly looking for, to see how much the actual product weighs, because it feels very heavy. Very, very heavy. Alright, so it has some kind of power cord. Here, I'm just taking off the wrapped cable to keep it secure. So the power cord, if I'm going off what the assemble manual says, it's just telling me that this part is used to choose the lighting mode. Minus or plus means brightness down or brightness up, and the lightning color switch is in the middle, and this one is the power button. So basically it is a ring light in itself. Oh, it's a good extension. Look at that. Can you see that? That's huge, and it's feels like a steel coil. This is the actual light. Very sturdy. It's not moving. Looks like it can be pulled apart though if you need to adjust it for your own specific modifications. And this part is what I was saying about the ball and socket. This is probably the part that's gonna go in here. So let's see if we can set it up. So I'm opening it up, releasing the clamp. It's pretty self-explanatory. So this part is supposed to go in the groove. I'm gonna push it in with some force. Oh, heard that click? That's not going anywhere. And then the bolt part is the part I'm going to screw it to make sure the clamp stays in place. Yeah, pretty neat, pretty easy. I don't know where they get these ideas, but this was a good one. Feels very sturdy too. So let's see if I can plug it in just to see how bright it is. Okay, so this part is just the USB part. I have my own USB from my cell phone. Just gotta use that to plug in. And I'm plugging it in right now. And I have an extension cord set up already. I was guessing I would need to plug something in, so I put it there. And let's test it out. See, it indicates that it has power by the light turning blue where the power button is. And if I turn it on now, let's see how bright it is. Let me turn off my lamp. Ooh, that's pretty bright. Let's see the different settings. Oh, that's a soft white. This is a warm white. This is a bright white. You can go up. See, it gets brighter and brighter and brighter. Let's try the other one. Brighter and brighter. It's pretty good. Now let's decrease the brightness. You can carry it all the way down. So far so good. Tomorrow I'll test it out when I'm cooking. There you have it. The Ubeesize self ring light user manual. This is the actual item, and I think for $18 and $24 for $18.24, it was well worth it. And it feels very sturdy. I can just tell that my phone would stand up, because some of them, they'd be swerving side by side. This actually feels firmly held in place. Like my video on the selfie ring light. Don't forget to leave your comments below and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thank you all for joining my channel. See you next time.